Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of the Buffalo Picker? Friday nights, defend the hustle, him and Glass City. Have you ever heard of my boy D? I call him D, his name is Dave. His name is Derrick from Fundamentals of the Side Hustle. Yeah, Regina Renee, his sidekick. Well, actually, Derrick, her sidekick. But anyway, have you ever heard of Casey from from Carolina, the Carolina Hustler? Yeah, the golf club expert. You got any questions about golf club? He'll be happy to help you. I don't know nothing about him. When I find one, I send him the information, and he tell me how much they're worth. He's a good man. Have you ever heard of blood, sweat, and sale? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're damn selling. What the hell? Dedicated. Have you ever heard of Save Her First with Ella? Woo! I got you in, Ella. Have you ever heard of my boy, the Lone Star Picker from Texas, Louis and the other Louis? You know what I'm saying? They got a show too where they auction stuff off. I gotta find out what time it is so I can let you guys know. Well, it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pickin' the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, this is a thank you video for Derrick and Renee, Fundamentals of the Side Hustle, and Renee, Michelle Renee. That's her YouTube page, Michelle Renee. For giving me the 500 subs. I was at 480 for a long time. So I Instagrammed Derrick and asked him if he can, give me the 500 on this show on Wednesday night, Humpday Hangout. And he did it, So this is a video, well, not he, both of them did it, him and Renee. So I want to thank both of them for that. And I just want to thank both of them for helping me out, to get out of that rut. You know what I'm saying? I was in a rut for a long time. I had 180, I was up to 182, and 2 people unsubscribed. So I don't know what went down with that. But I was going down instead of going up. You know what I mean? So now I'm at 500 subs, and I just want to thank everybody for subscribing to my page, and thank Regina and Derrick for helping me out. And Regina, send me your address. I got a gift to send you. So send me your address, and this is just a thank you video. I'll be back to the regular videos pretty soon. But y'all, go, if you're a new subscriber to me, go to Fundamentals of the Side Hustle and go to Michelle Renee. I think that's her page name, of Renee Michelle, whatever. I think it's reversed though. I look at her page, but I'll never look at her name. I don't watch her videos. But anyway, so that's all I got to say right now. Wear your mask. Stay away from that COVID. I had it. I don't want nobody to have it. Well, actually, I want my ex-wife to get it. She sucked. But other than that, I don't want nobody to have that feeling. I'm just playing. I don't wish she'd get it. But y'all take it easy. And this is Kevin from St. Louis. I've been selling on eBay since 2002. I used to sell just video games during Christmas time. Now I sell almost everything that ain't nailed down. So I've been picking when y'all was little babies peeing on yourself with Pampers. You know what I'm saying? That's how long I've been picking. But hold on, it's a traffic jam. Let me show you what I'm now. See this? Traffic jam. I've been sitting there for 10 minutes, at least 10, 15 minutes. So I don't know how far it goes up. I don't know what's going on. But I should keep recording to show y'all what's going on. But anyway, so thank you for looking at my video, and thank you for Derrick and Renee for helping me out. And I forgot to tell y'all, I won some gifts last night on the show Humpday Hangout. And I like winning. So I kept telling them I won the first prize. I kept telling them I won, and your boy Derrick kept on joking, saying I didn't win. You know what I'm saying? So I sent him a screenshot on Instagram. Sure did. I don't care if you send me earrings or not. I don't care. I like winning. That's all to it. The winner. You know what I'm saying? So I sent him and Renee, because Renee was kind of cracking jokes a little bit too. But then I won the second time. I won some Air Force Ones from the shoe guy. I don't know. I just met the dude last night. The shoe guy, I won some green Air Force Ones. They're real nice, size 12. But you know, your boy wore a 13. So sometimes them Nikes, them Air Force Ones, you gotta, you know, if you wear a 13, you gotta get a 14. You know, tight shoes. But anyway, like I said, I want to thank y'all. I just want y'all to know I won, and I'm putting it on here too. I'm gonna put the screenshot on here so other people can see it. Matter of fact, I might have it rolling the whole video that I won. Anyway, y'all. Yeah, thank y'all for helping me out. And wear your mask. Please wear your mask. You know. And all I got to say is that, woo, we pickin' the hood too. Yeah. Peace.